Short presentation on Fibonacci extensions. Now, you've probably heard of the Fibonacci tool. We've done an earlier video on what Fibonacci retracements are, but we'll just do a quick refresher in this video to help you understand the concept of Fibonacci extensions. So basically the way it works is we've got a wave of price action here. Let's say we want to buy this, but we don't want to buy at the top here. We want to wait for the price to pull back. So where do we wait for the price to pull back? Where do we get in? Well, that's where the Fibonacci tool comes in handy. So obviously the price pulls back, and when we apply the Fibonacci tool to this wave, it gives us a certain level of retracement. So we've got the 23.6, we've got the 38.2, we've got the 50%, and of course we've got the 61.8%. Now, each of these retracement levels also has or can have a corresponding extension level, and the extension level is where you take your profits. So if you get in at the 38.2, or if the price only pulls back to the 38.2, then of course we expect the price to extend up to the equivalent extension. Now, if your price pulls back to the 61.8, again, we expect the price will then rally to the corresponding extension, okay? Now, that's not always the case. It's not a fixed rule, and that's actually not the way I use Fibonacci extensions. I use them very, very rarely in my own trading. And when I do use them, very, very rarely, I use the 127 extension here, which, of course, doesn't correspond to a retracement level, but it's just a very widely known and widely used extension level in the Fibonacci world. So the way it works is this. You use the retracement levels to get in, and then the Fibonacci tool automatically plots the extension levels above the price. So if we've drawn a Fibonacci on here to buy it, the extension levels will be plotted up here, away from the price upwards, obviously, because we're expecting the price to go up. If we're applying this Fibonacci on a downward move, the extensions then will be below the price. And again, basically the concept is you use them as profit targets, for your trades. So the three most popular are the ones that I use are the 100, the 127, the 1618. But like I say, there's lots of others.